Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I noticed that some of you haven't received your SBA EIDL grant as of yet, and I'm here to answer a couple of questions on why that might be. So the first and most common reason, in my opinion, is that it just hasn't arrived yet. There's delays that could play a factor, especially with the second round. You can kind of consider this a second round of grants and loans being distributed. So because of that, you should probably expect at least some sort of delay that may affect you. Number two, while filling out your loan application, did you remember to opt into the grant portion? If you guys remember, there was a box asking whether or not you would like to be considered for an up to $10,000 cash advance. That is the grant portion of that loan application. So remember to check that. If you did not check that, don't worry, it's not all over. You can actually go back, resubmit that application, and this time check the box, okay? There's no issue with fixing small errors in your first application, as long as you're not making dramatical changes to try to change the outcome of the results that was given the first time around. So for an example, if you were denied a loan, but then you go back and change some things in your application that isn't correct or isn't accurate to what actually happened throughout your business, then of course that is something that may be punishable. But if you're going back to fix small errors that you made, there is no issue with that, okay? They're very understanding to that. The only issue comes from people that start to falsify things because they want the end result to meet their personal needs.